Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can resize a pixel art image in Photoshop without it losing a lot of quality, okay? Pixel art images are these kind of images where you have your edges and they are shown as pixels or they kind of simulate pixels, okay? And when you try to increase the size, Photoshop, for example, is going to use a sample method which is going to lose or is going to blur these edges, okay? Kind of making losing a lot of quality in the process and losing the aesthetic of the pixel art, which is actually the edges. All right. So what are we gonna do is we have this image inside of Photoshop here. Now I want you to go to the image menu here. You have to go to image size and then resample. It should be tick, but it should be actually set not to automatic, which is the default option, but to nearest neighbor, okay, which is hard edges. And this is gonna make sure that all of the edges remain actually crisp and actually edges, okay, instead of blur out and rounded. Let's click on OK. But before we do that, we have to resize the image to our desired resolution, okay? So right now is 124 by 135, as you can see here in this lower panel. And I'm going to change it to, actually going to choose a percentage units, and I'm going to change it to 200%, both for the width and the height. Make sure that the width and the height stays consistent when you're using this percentage unit, because if not, the image is going to get distorted, okay? So you can set 200, 300, 150, is up to you completely. And now look, the image is going to increase in size to double basically, which is great. And it will lose a lot of quality in the process, which is amazing. Now you just want to export it, okay? So just click on File, go to Export, and export as a PNG. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys.